We will show you how to spend 4 days in Barcelona, Spain, including where to go, where to stay, where to eat, and helpful travel tips. Hi, I'm here with Travel Route. In this video, we'll show you what to do and how to get around the city. We'll also share our recommended itinerary for spending 4 days in Barcelona. The suggestions in this video are based on our many trips to this beautiful city. So let's get started. When is the best time to visit Barcelona? The best time to visit Barcelona is during the spring or fall shoulder seasons. The weather is mild, making it very pleasant to explore the city. Summer can be extremely hot and it's usually packed full of tourists. Winter is colder and some attractions have limited hours. Getting to and from the airport, most travelers fly into Barcelona El Prat Airport, which is located about 12 kilometers southwest of the city center. From the airport, you can take the Airbus, which departs every 15 minutes and takes about 30 minutes to reach the city center. A single ticket costs €6. You can purchase your ticket online or at the airport. Another alternative is to take the rent train from the airport to the city. The journey takes around 25 minutes and tickets start from €2.50. If you're looking for more convenient and comfortable airport transfers, pre-book a transfer with a provider. A taxi from the airport to the city center costs approximately €25 to €30. Where to stay in Barcelona? Barcelona has many diverse and beautiful neighborhoods, but we recommend staying in the Barri Gotic or El Born areas if you want to be close to the main attractions. Other popular neighborhoods include Graz, an upscale area near the beach known for its high-end shopping, restaurants, and modernist architecture. An example, home to the famous Los Ramblas and the modernist masterpieces of Passeig de Gràcia. How to get around Barcelona hassle-free? Barcelona is a very walkable city, but if you need to get from one place to another quickly, hop on the metro. It's fast, efficient, and affordable. Barcelona's metro map is divided into different lines and letters. Line 1 is the oldest and runs from the airport to the city center. Most of the metro stations are within walking distance of major attractions. The fare zones in Barcelona range from 1 to 6. The further out you travel, the higher the zone number. When purchasing a ticket, make sure it covers the zone you plan to travel to. What to do in Barcelona? Day 1, we recommend starting your day at Parc Güell, one of Barcelona's most famous landmarks. The park was designed by Antoni Gaudí, a renowned architect, and features mosaic-covered buildings, quirky structures, and stunning views of the city. The entrance fee is €8. Next, head to the nearby Sagrada Familia, another masterpiece by Antoni Gaudí. This unfinished church is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most visited attractions in Barcelona. The entrance fee is around €26, but you can book your tickets online to skip the long queues. In the afternoon, explore the Gothic Quarter, Barcelona's historic old town. Wander through its narrow streets, admire the medieval architecture, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. In the afternoon, explore the Pobla Espanyol, a unique open-air museum that showcases traditional Spanish architecture and crafts. You can also watch a traditional flamenco show here. In the evening, head back to the city center and enjoy a delicious meal in the trendy El Born district. Afterwards, explore the bustling nightlife of Los Ramblas and experience the vibrant atmosphere of Barcelona. Day 3. Start your day at the beautiful Barceloneta beach. Relax on the golden sands, take a swim in the Mediterranean Sea, or try water sports such as kayaking or paddleboarding. In the afternoon, embark on a bike tour and discover the city like a local. Cycle along the beachfront promenade, through the picturesque streets of the Gothic Quarter, and past iconic landmarks such as the Sagrada Familia. If you don't have your own bike, you can rent one from various locations throughout the city. In the evening, treat yourself to a delicious seafood dinner at one of the many restaurants in Barceloneta. Finish your day by watching a performance at the Palau de la Música Catalana, a stunning concert hall with a beautiful modernist facade. Day 4, on your last day in Barcelona, visit the Tibidabo, the highest point in the city. Take the funicular up the mountain and enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of Barcelona. At the top, visit the amusement park, Tibidabo Amusement Park, which features thrilling rides, a historical setting, and stunning views. Alternatively, if you prefer something more relaxing, you can also visit the Casa Milla, another masterpiece by Antoni Gaudí. This modernist building is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the architect's most innovative works. Later, indulge in some retail therapy at Passeig de Gràcia, one of Barcelona's most elegant shopping streets. Here you can find high-end boutiques, flagship stores, and unique independent designers. In the evening, before leaving Barcelona, make sure to enjoy one last delicious meal at one of the many fantastic restaurants in the city. Where to eat in Barcelona? Barcelona offers a wide variety of cuisine, from traditional Spanish tapas to innovative modernist cuisine. The city is also home to many excellent restaurants serving international cuisine. Here are some of our favorite places to eat in Barcelona. Can Colorites, a traditional restaurant serving authentic Catalan cuisine in a cozy atmosphere. Tickets, a unique dining experience featuring innovative modernist cuisine by renowned chef Albert. Can Mayo, a charming tapas bar offering classic Spanish dishes in a lively atmosphere. El Zampaneta, a popular spot for locals and tourists alike, serving a wide variety of tapas and seafood dishes. Calpep, a casual restaurant serving fresh seafood and paella in a rustic setting. Here are some hidden gems and local tips most tourists miss. Did you know that Barcelona is home to over 20 museums? One of the lesser-known museums is the Museu de Barcelona, located in the former city walls. This museum offers a fascinating insight into Barcelona's history, from prehistoric times to the present day. Another hidden gem is the Santa Maria del Mar, a Gothic church built in the 14th century. The church's interior is surprisingly spacious and features a beautiful vaulted ceiling. Don't forget to visit the nearby Arc de Triomphe, triumphal arch built to commemorate the 1888 World's Fair. This neoclassical monument is decorated with sculptures and mosaics. For a unique view of Barcelona, head to Bunkers del Carmel, a series of anti-aircraft bunkers built during the Spanish Civil War. Today, the bunkers are a popular spot for locals to relax and enjoy panoramic views of the city. If you're looking for a peaceful oasis away from the bustling city center, visit the tranquil Jardins del Palau, a beautiful garden located in a former palace. The gardens feature a wide variety of plant species and are a popular spot for locals to relax and enjoy nature. Here are some budget tips to save money while traveling in Barcelona. Consider visiting during the shoulder seasons of spring or fall to save on accommodation and flights. Look for free activities such as exploring the Gothic Quarter, visiting the Bunkers del Carmel, and relaxing at the beach. Take advantage of public transportation to get around the city. Purchase a T10 card or a T-Casual ticket to save money on individual tickets. Pack snacks and drinks to avoid buying them at tourist hotspots where prices can be higher. Consider getting a Barcelona card, which offers free access to some attractions and discounts on others. Look for free walking tours to explore the city and learn about its history. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on social media for more travel inspiration and tips.